Good morning, gladiators. Today is Monday, September 21st. It is week 5 of our grading period. So for your bell work, I'd like for you to plan your dream vacation. It's a 3-day vacation, so include everything you will be doing in those 3 days. You may press pause to complete this in your LMB. So we're going to have a quick review over outlines. Outline is a tool used to organize written ideas about topics or a thesis in logical order. Outlines arrange major topics, subtopics, and supporting details. You can produce an outline before you write an essay, or you may read a nonfiction article and outline the text the author provided. And we have gone over text features. So this is everything that we learned using those text features. For instance, the title of your outline will be an overall topic of your article or of your writing. So our title is Dream Vacation. The entire outline will go over our dream vacation. Then we have our first subtitle or subheading. This will be the main idea of our section of our paragraphs of this part in our overall article or essay. So this subtitle will be Day 1, and this day we'll be traveling to Disney World. Everything after this will be our supporting details. We'll go to all 3 parks. We'll have a character dinner. And so if you notice in an outline, we have an umbrella here. So this encompasses everything underneath, indented under this umbrella. And so we start with a number, and normally people use Roman numerals, but we're just going to go with day 1. And then we jump to letters. So A and B, our supporting details, will go under our main idea of traveling to Disney World. And then day 2 would be our subtitle or subheading. That's the main idea, would be Universal Studios. So the two supporting details, A and B, and you can continue further into that, will be about Universal Studios. And then we have day 3, we'll be going to the Florida Keys, and then the letters after that will be about what we will do there, which will be going to the beach. And so when we're going to be annotating our nonfiction articles, we'll be using this outline format. There will be questions about the outline format on the test and on the assignment today, and then our test on Wednesday. And if you are familiar with these text features, which I hope you will, because we were supposed to be studying them and absorbing the information, then you should be able to produce an outline. And an outline can be very formal or could be very informal. But it contains an overall topic, which would be the title, main ideas, which are the subtitles, and then supporting details. So we might have a graph under Disney World that would give us further information about fast passes, or there could be a map that tells us the different parks and the different rides. There could be a photo with a caption that would just detail Disney World. There could be sidebar, which would be helpful tips about Disney World. So all of those text feature graphics would go under the subtitle Traveling to Disney World. So we're going to do some more reviewing of text features and author's purpose. I have created a Nearpod activity. It is in Schoology. And you will go to this website, join.nearpod.com. The link is in an activity or an assignment in Schoology, and you will use this code to enter Nearpod and participate in the activity. There are videos that will help you with author's purpose and text features. There's matching games, there's a mini quiz, there's a poll. And so I need for you to use this as your study tool for your tests that it will be coming on Wednesday. If we are together in Zoom, then we will use a different code to do it synchronously in class. But you can always go back and use this code, FVRXT, to study again at a later time or on your own. When we're done with Nearpod, then there is a Bear article that I'd like for you to read. And I'd like for you to annotate it using an outline. For instance, you will tell us, you will highlight the title, and that would be the topic. And then you will number the subtitles. Those would be the main ideas of the sections. And then you would just write a few words about each paragraph, telling us what the supporting details are in that section. And then you will answer questions 1 through 7. So you can download the article, you can open up in a new tab, you can annotate on a sheet of paper, numbering the paragraphs on your paper. You can do it however you want, but when you do annotate on your own, I'd like for you to be thinking about the outline and text features of the article, because that is what they'll be asking you in questions 1 through 7. Today we will only be completing questions 1 through 7. Tomorrow we'll read the poem and complete 8 through 11 during tomorrow's class. And then, of course, we'll have our cold read on Wednesday. And then after that, if you could please read chapter 11 of Freak the Mighty and make sure to take some notes in your L&B. Remember, if you have any questions or need any assistance, Tuesday afternoon, right after school at 4:10, I will have academic tutoring, and I will be happy to help you, or you can send me an email. But I hope you have a great day, Gladiators.